Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making loaded tater tot skewers. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need tater tots, bacon, cheddar cheese, ranch, green onion, and skewers. We're going to begin by finely chopping up some green onions. Shred some cheddar cheese. Follow the directions on the package to fry your tater tots. Fry the bacon until crispy. Now let's put it all together. We're going to start by placing 6 tater tots on each skewer and then lining them up on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Evenly sprinkle cheese over the tots. Next, sprinkle the bacon. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes or until the cheese melts. Garnish the top skewers with green onions and ranch. And there you have it, tater tot skewers. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.